Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura J9. I came back into the shop after replacing the water inlet valve here because it continued to leak after it came back home. It turned out that the replacement inlet valve was actually assembled incorrectly. We received it fully assembled, and the gasket wasn't in the right orientation, and it was missing a piece. So we fixed that, and then also we found that the combo valve, not the combo valve, the ceramic valve was leaking here when it was when we were making espresso. My guess is that might have occurred after descaling. Sometimes that can reveal certain leaks that weren't there before. And it was a much slower leak that wasn't as easy to catch. But yeah, that about concludes this repair. We replaced the ceramic valve, and then we fixed the water inlet valve. I'm just going to make espresso right here. We had it previously. I had tested this multiple shots with the machine completely open to see if any further leaking was happening, and I wasn't able to find any. Have it. Thank you for watching.